Navigating multiple forms and systems when trying to make changes to your academic programs can be confusing. With MAP's new Petition for Exceptions feature, you can now upload documents and submit your petition for an exception directly within the system. This streamlined process simplifies the approval journey while keeping staff informed, all in real time. MAP lets you track your exception requests from start to finish. This reduces delays and minimizes errors, letting you move forward on your academic journey with confidence. There are two ways to petition for an exception in MAP, but you'll always start with opening your audit. Select your academic goal, then select the Check My Progress button. This will open your audit. Let's start with the first method, the exception dashboard. When you review your academic audit, look to the right of your screen for the Exception Dashboard button. Select the button to open the dashboard. Here you can see your pending exceptions, review your history, or start a new petition. In the dashboard, select the Petition for an Exception button. Choose the requirement for which you'd like an exception made. Remember, you will only be able to select requirements with available class options. In this example, we'll select Core Courses. Now that you've selected the requirement, the Petition for an Exception form will appear. Select the class you are requesting to use for the requirement. For this example, we'll use Econ 43. If you are petitioning to substitute a required course, you'll need to select that next. Select the required course from the drop-down. Let's select Econ 1. If you simply want to include a class you've taken in the class options list for this requirement, without using it as a substitute for a specific required course, you can leave the section blank. Next, add any comments to your petition for the approver's review. Keep in mind, all comments will be viewable within the audit. Lastly, attach any supporting documentation to be reviewed by your approver. Make sure your file is labeled correctly with your last name, first initial, underscore, and the type of document. Then select the appropriate document type. Once everything is complete, hit Submit. It's that easy. The second way to petition for an exception in MAP is directly through the requirement headers in your audit. First, find the course requirement where you would like an exception made. Course requirements have purple headers. Navigate to the header and select the ellipses on the right-hand side. Then select Exception. You'll then be taken through the steps we discussed earlier. Select the class you'd like to use. Select the current requirement it will replace. If needed, add details and documents, and submit to seal the deal. Heads up, you will receive an error message if you select a header where an exception is not possible. Want to keep track of your petition? Simply head back to the exception dashboard at any time. Here you can quickly see the status of your exception to determine if action is needed, review your complete exception history, and even submit a new petition, all in one place. You'll also find the status and details for the request right within the audit. An email notification will also be sent to you once a decision has been made. This exciting new feature makes petitioning for an exception more efficient, transparent, and user-friendly, putting you in the driver's seat.